Hey YouTube. Okay, this video is going to be a little different. I'm going to add this video to when the unboxing is going to be at the end of this video. So if you want to see the unboxing, stay tuned. But I just want to get the review and the first impression of this chair out the way for the people that just want to know how this chair is, what it look like, how tall it is. We gonna get all into that good stuff. So let's get started. Every time I get a new package, I feel like it's Christmas. This is tall. I'm not gonna lie. This is the 30-inch one. I think it might be perfect. I hope I don't bust my eye. And look, my socks match the chair. So I'm currently 166 pounds, okay? I was about 175 about 2 months ago. So I'm losing weight, and yeah. God, you know. Now I just wanted to get a close-up scene because that's the main reason why I bought this chair, is for like close-up scenes and stuff like that. When you have to talk about things and you want to sit and you know. So I looked up director's chair, but I'm going to be using this for filming purposes, you know what I'm saying? For those of you who don't know, I do create other videos outside of reviewing things. I also I'm the Good Morning Girl on Instagram, and apparently I inspire people. So yeah, that's mainly what this chair is going to be used for. You might see it on my channel here and there if I gotta do like a sit down and talk and show you guys things, but you guys are not really gonna see it like that. I'm happy, I'm satisfied with it. I will show y'all my setup at the end of this video. After the unboxing, I'll show you my setup and how it looks, because that's why I got the pink. I want the pink to go with the pink on the wall. All right, the moment you all have been waiting for, the unboxing. Okay. Now, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Y'all see that? I don't like that. I don't know why it was delivered like that, but I feel like the chair's about to come out the box, but whatever. Whatever. Okay, I thought the whole box open, but it don't. That's good. Okay. These are the pink bands to go to the chair because I ordered the color pink. Memory foam. Here's the good stuff. Whew. I feel like I just did a workout. Okay, this is the good stuff. Feel like, oh, there we go. Ta-da! All right, this is almost it, almost. Okay, it seems very sturdy, not gonna lie. Now, I'm 5'4.5", I guess you could say, and this is what it comes up to me on. Now these is the instructions. Not much there, but you know, I'm not an instruction person anyway. I don't like reading manuals, but I do it. Certain things I will read it for, but something like this, yeah. Okay. So I'm assuming. Okay. So this goes in here. This is just be used in common sense. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I didn't look at that manual. This piece right here goes in here. So and then same thing here. Honestly, I should have just did it for both sides. Why is it not? What's going on? Okay. Then okay, good. Okay. Any questions, comments, concern, please comment below and let me know. I'll be answering comments because it comes to my email. If I see it, boom, I got you. All right. If I don't see it, I can't promise you. But yes, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe if you like this content, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
Let's cheerio to another video.